How to change navigation bar on Android. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. In order to change navigation bar on Android, simply open settings on your Android device. On the settings page, you need to tap on home screen and locker screen. Remember that depending on your Android device, the option might be different. So scroll down and then locate the option for system navigation at bottom of the screen. Select that and open it. So currently the system navigation is set to buttons and the button layout is chosen as first one. So here you can choose between buttons or gesture. When you select the gesture, you need to select the lawn button and then your navigation buttons will be hidden. Simply to use that, you need to tap the launch button and use the gesture navigation. But for now, we are using the button. So let's tap buttons and here you can easily choose the button layout. So let's select the second one and our button layout has been successfully changed. So in this way, you can easily change the navigation bar on Android device. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.